And now cricket problems are piling for the Indian cricket team ahead of the fourth test against England. India today has learned that the visitors have suffered a twin injury blow with all-rounder Nitish Kumar Reddy and fast bowler Arshdeep Singh picking up injuries. While the former hurt his knee during a gym session, leading to a ligament issue, Arshdeep had suffered a cut on his bowling hand during a training session a couple of days ago. This comes amidst injury concerns to wicketkeeper batter Rishabh Pant and workload management for speedster Jasprit Bumrah, who is yet to play 2 consecutive matches in the series.
News from Manchester is not too great. Of course, it's been raining for the last couple of days and Indian team has been plagued by more injuries. Nitish Kumar Reddy is the latest to join the list. He suffered a knee injury during his gym session in Manchester today, and you would remember that Arshdeep Singh, he was also struck on his bowling arm in his during India's practice session in Beckenham. So that's the latest, and Akashdeep is also a doubtful starter. He also has a few back issues. So that means that India were forced to draft in Haryana pacer Anshul Kamboj into the squad, and now the Indian team is left with 4 pace bowling options: Jasprit Bumrah, Mohammad Siraj, Prasidh Krishna, and now Anshul Kamboj. So the Indian team will now have to brainstorm as to what the pace bowling combination would be, because Prasidh Krishna, you would remember, he played a couple of test matches but wasn't too impressive, and Jasprit Bumrah came in for the third test match at the expense of Prasidh Krishna. So now the Indian team will also have to see as to whether, because Nitish Kumar Reddy provided India with that all-round option. So can India now afford to give Dhruv Jurel a comeback into the 11, because Dhruv Jurel not only can keep wickets but can also fill in as a batter in that position where Nitish Kumar Reddy was batting so far in the test series, that is at the 6th spot. So of course, news not too great from Manchester, but still a couple of days for India to think about it. Remember, the test match, the 4th test and the 5th test, there's not too much gap in between. So India will also have to see the workload of the fast bowlers.